Hey guys, last video. I know, so sad. So sad. So what I want to pull up right now is this. Okay, so I just went over the benefits of GMOs in the last video. We're just gonna go over a few risks. Again, new traits could cause adverse health reactions, could affect the health of the fish or the health of us. Removal of traits could have unknown effects both on the fish and on us. Crops may limit biodiversity of local environment. Biodiversity is crucial. You need lots of different animals and plants for a healthy ecosystem. If we decrease biodiversity, it could lead to things like climate change. Cross-pollination could lead to super weeds. Super weeds would be like a weed but out of control and even harder to take care of, and weeds get in the way of the growth of other fruits and vegetables. Patents restrict farmers from accessing genetically modified seeds. So we're talking more about the fruits and vegetables. Don't worry about that for now. Patenting, for this, you could say like this one company would have access and own this fish, which is really weird to think about. But if it's a genetically modified fish, that means that fish is owned by, what's the company's name? The company is Aqua Advantage Salmon. That means they own that fish in a very strange way. Again, I don't really agree with that. I'm more on the hesitant side of GMOs than I am on the benefits. But that doesn't mean you should be. I want you guys to make your own decision here and maybe even do some more research. Foods with genetically modified components may not be labeled, right? Depends on the state. Most states they're not. Different governments may have conflicting standards. So like if you go to Europe, their rules on genetically modified foods may be totally different than ours. All right, I'm just going to go back to my assignment page here real quick, guys. That's not it. That's not it. There it is. All right, so again, you are writing a 4-sentence environmental ethics statement. You're going to title it Environmental Ethics Statement. You can write it on another page that's attached to this one. The first sentence is describing what genetically modified organisms are and how it could be a problem or why some people think it's a problem. Your second sentence is going to be about why some people don't think it's a problem. And then your third and fourth sentences are going to be about what you think. And you're going to back what you think up with fact, either from my videos, the article, or your own research. If you throw in your own research, please give me a source. I want to know where it's coming from. All right, folks, this is all I have for you this week. Turn in your docs when you're ready for me to grade it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you in the week 3 videos. Can't wait. All right. Peace out, Girl Scout.